I've been using my chainsaws a lot lately, and sharpening with these little things, you know, through each and every tooth, it takes a lot of time, and it's honestly just tiring for your arm to just be filing each and every one of the teeth. So it led me to this electric chainsaw sharpener by EzzDoo, and I want to show you guys how easy this is to use. It is truly super effective for sharpening your chainsaws really quickly so that you can, you know, make the most out of your chainsaw rather than trying to use a dull chain. So every chainsaw has an appropriate diameter of file for sharpening the teeth. For this DeWalt 18-inch chainsaw, it uses the 5/32, and the EzzDoo comes with 3 different sizes, which should you know, be applicable to all different kinds of chainsaws. So once you have, you know, just do a search, figure out which size yours needs, and then you just get it put right into the socket. It works like a rotary. And once you have it in there, you can choose to use this additional piece, which will show you the appropriate angle to be sharpening your teeth as well. Different chainsaws have appropriate angles. This particular chainsaw uses a 30-degree angle, and so that using this additional attachment really helps me ensure that I'm sharpening it at the correct angle so that the teeth get as sharp as possible. So I have my 30-degree. I'm going to line that up with the chainsaw, and then I'm going to take this file and I'm going to place it right by that tooth. And you're just gonna go one by one to each tooth. It doesn't take very long. I normally hold it on to each tooth for maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and that seems to be enough to get each and every one of them sharpened. And of course, because the teeth go in opposite sides, so you can go one. I normally go all the way up one side, and then I'll go to the other side and go all the way up the other side. And it's really pretty quick.